C is for Christmas, the season of good cheer. H is for happiness, to last you through the year. R is for respect, that each and all should show in this holy season, wherever you may go. I is for indulgence, to know how far to go. S is for Santa Claus, the children all do know. T is for toys, for little girls and boys. Around the world, where'er they be, he'll find them joyfully. Merry Christmas! M is for manger, the place where he was born. A is for angels, who watched from dusk till dawn. S is for star, that led 3 men from afar. And remembering these, we hope you'll see a very Merry Christmas, wherever you may be. Merry Christmas to you all.